Students, a lot of you gave the mock test yesterday. You know your score. A lot of you have also sent me WhatsApp on my number. Sir, we revised this time. The score has improved significantly. I wanted to tell you 140 to 150 days remain in NEET 2021. Exam is expected in June end or July beginning, and this is a lot of time if you start behaving in a disciplined manner. So I am saying keep laser-like focus on three things. What are these three things I want to tell you? Very, very important. If you develop this discipline right now, first thing, 15 to 20 hours of revision before every mock test. If you have not done revision, don't give mock test. Better give it tomorrow, day after tomorrow. But if you have not revised and before revision, you have not completed the syllabus, there is no point writing the mock test. You will not score well and you will develop depression. You will demotivate yourself. So first thing, 15 to 20 hours of revision before every mock test. Second thing, whatever you are going to do tomorrow, write down those tasks on a piece of paper in the night before you sleep and stick it in front of your study table so that when you wake up tomorrow, you got up, you got freshened up, you took a bath, you took your breakfast, and after that your studies started immediately. You don't end up wasting time trying to figure out what to do, what not to do, and it is 2 p.m. and you start feeling guilty that you wasted such important time. Do it as a habit. Before you sleep, for next day, write down all the tasks and stick it in front of your study table. And third thing, I told you 10 to 12 hours of studies, 6 hours of theory and 4 hours of question practice. Theory means you can watch videos, you can go through your notes, you can revise something, you can go through your flashcards, but 4 hours of question practice after that. This is good enough. You cannot imagine how much time is 140 to 150 days. You can do a lot of stuff, but the important thing is discipline. And you are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, doesn't matter. This discipline is also your religion for next 140 to 150 days. Extremely, extremely important, students. You have to maintain your laser-like focus on these three things. This will give you discipline, and this discipline will make you achieve the maximum out of the time that is available in NEET 2021. Hopefully you have understood what I'm trying to tell you. Tell me in the comment section if this is clear to all of you. If you start practicing this for next 140 to 150 days, you'd be amazed how much studies can be done and how much improvement you can do wherever you are right now. So students, I want promise from you in the comment section that you are going to start building up this discipline right now. All right, students.